Private Jet Los Angeles. Newport Jets is your Los Angeles jet charter company. Our professional team is ready 24/7 to schedule and create your Los Angeles flight plans. We will plan your private jet charter to and from Los Angeles exactly the way you want it, on your schedule. Newport Jets will not only handle your flight plans, but we will recommend excellent places to stay while you're in Los Angeles. Our jet charter experts are standing by to assist you and help you choose the perfect jet for your trip in and out of Los Angeles. Our wide selection of charter jets includes everything from the lightweight Learjet 31 to the Gulfstream G550. Regardless of your needs, we have a jet to fit your trip. Newport Jets specializes in charter aircraft to and from New York City, Los Angeles, and Las Vegas, as well as hundreds of other domestic and international destinations. It only takes one phone call to reserve and schedule your Los Angeles charter jet flight. Los Angeles is a major jet charter destination in the United States. The city is a mecca for business, fashion, culture, and entertainment. Hollywood is located within Los Angeles and offers several star-studded attractions, including the noted Hollywood Walk of Fame, studio tours, and for a day escape you'll find some of the world's most famous beaches. The city is filled with culture with a beautiful backdrop of mountainous terrain. Los Angeles is an international center for art, design, world trade, and science. The city touts over 300 museums, 80 stage theaters, and 8 shopping malls. For more information, please visit our website, www.newportjets.com, or contact us through phone 323-381-5582. You can visit our office, Los Angeles, California, 90013. Private Jet Los Angeles.